How to add products to your Google business profile. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now the first step in order to add products is that you would want to visit your actual profile for your Google business. So in order to do so and be able to edit things, you will need to make sure you're logged in into the same account that you created that Google business profile in. So just make sure you're logged in. And then you can just go ahead and go to google.com and you basically want to search for the business name that you created. So in my case, it's this right here because it's just an example. And once you search for it, you should actually find you manage this business profile. And then you can actually see the business itself, where you will find right next to it, view profile. So just make sure you select or type in the exact name for your Google business and you should find this screen here. And you want to click on view profile. Once you do that, if you're logged into the same proper email, Gmail, you should be able to adjust it to your liking. So you can add things, you can edit services, bookings, profile itself, you can change a lot of stuff if you're actually logged in. So now that you have this, all you need to do is just go ahead and you will find this one, which is edit products. So this is pretty much where you can add products to your Google business. So just go ahead and click on edit products. And this is just going to open up for you if it's your first time. So you can actually see get customers to your shop, add products to your business profile and show what you have in stock. Now it's going to be preferable if you have a website to show these in, but it's not mandatory. So just go ahead and click on get started and we will be able to just go ahead and add our product. So we can start with the product name. You can just go ahead and give it, just type in the product name that you want to add to your Google business. I don't really have a product here, so I'm just going to be doing some random stuff or adding some random stuff here. So product name in my case is test. And then we can also drag a photo or upload one by clicking on select a photo. I'm just going to be using this one as an example again. And then we can select a category. Now, by default, you should not have any. So you can just go ahead and create a new one and give it a name. So we can just do shirts. Why not? Sorry about that. So now we can also add the price for it. So feel free to add the price, but it is optional. So if you don't want to showcase the price from the Google business view, you can, redirect them to your site and then they can, find out about the pricing and everything. It's completely up to you whether you want to show it or not. I'm just going to leave it empty. And obviously here you can just add the description. So add the description needed for this product, tell people why they should buy it, what this product is going to help them, and so on. And then here, obviously, if you have a site where you're selling this product, you can feel free to link it over here so people can be redirected to it. And now you just click on publish. And this is pretty much all there is to it. We added our product. And if you want to add another one, you can just click on add next product. Or you can just click on edit products and you should find it again and you can create another one. And it's now actually going to be shown here for you. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful and thanks for watching.